Hey, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Brittany.
And this is Kadeem.
We are going to go over credit versus debit, guys.
Which one should you choose?
It's a good question, huh?
Since credit and debit payments account for the majority of consumer in-store purchasing in the United States,
Is one considered a better option than the other?
the debate over which is better to use, credit versus debit, has been ongoing.
However, research indicates that since 2000, the number of debit card transactions has doubled, and the number of credit card transactions has fallen nearly half.
Does this mean that debit is a better option? Consider the comparison. Credit cards. Credit cards are convenient and easy to use, often allowing consumers to purchase goods and services they otherwise would not be able to afford.
Credit is money. A creditor makes available to a person to borrow with the option of future repayment.
In exchange for the credit, the lender is paid back the original money plus any interest, usually paid on a monthly basis.
Debit cards. Debit cards are normally associated with or linked to individuals' regular checking or savings account at their local bank.
When a purchase is made, fiat is electronically withdrawn from the account that's linked to the debit card. Note, even though a debit card may have a Visa or MasterCard insignia logo on it,
It is not reported on your credit report as a charge card. Depending on what you are buying, what type of purchase it is, or how much money you have, it may be more beneficial to use credit.
as long as you're not overextending yourself and routinely pay off the balance, it may be more wise to use credit if you're making a large purchase,
You're buying gas, checking into a hotel, or renting a car.
or maybe you want to cash in on big rewards.
Or maybe you just don't check your account history very often.
Which one do you think is a better option?
Credit?
Versus debit?
Yeah, that's a great question, huh? Well, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video.
And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.
Signing out.
All right.